Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, in 1 week I will be traveling to Somalia, inshallah ta'ala, and you'll be meeting the team on the ground that has been working tirelessly around the clock to build these boreholes and these water tanks that will provide not just water but life to those deprived communities. I'm asking you again, and I'm asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to reward you for your intentions and your donations. I am asking you to continue donating. Remember, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked, what is the best type of charity? And he said, Saqyul Ma. It is to provide water. Now, as we, inshallah ta'ala, embark on this journey, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us safe and to make it a blessed journey, we're going to ask you to keep us in your du'as and also to spread this message far and wide and to continue supporting and donating this cause. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it a sadaqah jariyah for all of you, a continuous reward. As long as people are drinking from those wells and utilizing that water, the reward will be ongoing for those that give charity. Remember that charity will be a shade on the effect for all of us. So again, my sisters, my brothers, donate generously. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.